Good morning, class 10. Dear student, topic circle is continue. Question number 6 and exercise 10.2. Question is the length of tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Dear students, there is a circle and the length of tangent from a point at a distance 5 cm from the center. Let O is the center of the circle and the point is 5 cm away from the center and the length of tangent is 4 cm. This length is 4 cm. Let the point be A. This is the point B, point of contact. You have to find the radius of circle R. Dear student, you know the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. This is the tangent. Here AT is 4 cm, which is the length of tangent. And AO is 5 cm. It is the distance of the point A from the center. And radius we have to find. So this angle is 90 degrees. Since radius is perpendicular to the tangent, therefore angle ATO equal to 90 degrees. Now by Pythagoras, AO is the hypotenuse. We can suppose this as a base and it is perpendicular or altitude. So AO square equal to AT square plus TO square. Here AO is 5 square, AT is 4 square, TO is R square. Now it is 25 is 16 plus R square. From this we will get R square is 25 minus 16, which is 9. So R square equal to 3 square, therefore R equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. Now next is question number 7. Two concentric circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. There are two concentric circles of radii 3 cm and 5 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So there is a chord. Is a chord of the circle AD. It touches the smaller circle at the point T. This is O, radius of the circle. Let's join AO and OT. AO is 5 centimeter radius of big circle and OT is 3 centimeter radius of small circle. Now, there is a one theorem. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. AB is the tangent of small circle and chord of big circle. Giving OT is 3 centimeter radius of small circle. AO is 5 centimeter radius of big circle. We have to find AB. Now, the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord, that is bisect the chord. Since OT bisect AB, therefore AT equal to TB. Now, radius is perpendicular tangent, therefore angle ATO equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras, AO square equal to AT square plus TO square. Now, AO square is 5 square equal to AT square, that we will find, plus TO square is 3 square. It is 25, is AT square plus 9. Now, AT square is 25 minus 9 is 16. This 16 is 4 square. Therefore, AT is 4 centimeter. Now we will find AB. Since AB is twice of AT and AT is 4 centimeter, so 2 into 4, it is 8 centimeter. So length of the chord of big circle is 8 centimeter. Now next is question number 8. Question is, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. There is a circle, a quadrilateral A is here. B, C, D. This quadrilateral is circumscribe the circle. So these are the point of contacts. P, Q, R and S. Given that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. This we have to prove. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now see the solution. So it is proof. It is like the theorem. There is one theorem that theorem is the tangent drawn from the external point to the circle are equal in length. Suppose these are the tangent drawn from the external point P, and these are the points, suppose X and Y. So according to the theorem, these lengths are equal. Px equal to Py. Theorem is the length of tangent drawn from the external point and to the circle are equal. So according to that, here AX equal to AP. Then PB equal to BQ and CQ equal to CR and DR equal to DS. These are the length of tangent drawn from the external point A, B, C, D to the circle. This equal to that. This part equal to this part. So these are the length of tangent from the external point A, B, C. Now see. Dear student, here we will rearrange AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, CR equal to CQ and DR equal to DS. Now we will add them. So AP plus PB plus CR plus RD is equal to AS plus HD plus CQ plus QB. Now AP plus PB becomes AB and CR plus RD becomes CD and AS plus HD equal to AD plus CQ plus QB equal to CB. This we have to prove. So hence prove. So that was the solution of the question.